as I'm going to be getting on the highway. Ah! Oh, that's freaking hilarious. All right. What's up, YouTube? I'm here right now across the event for our San Francisco solo event. You can see some race cars around me. The people that I'm with right now already ran, and they are now doing coursework, and I have nothing to do now, so I figured now is the time to do the unboxing. I was supposed to race, or I was supposed to go take a ride with Yang in that car, but things change. It is what it is. Anyways, this thing is fully sealed, and again, I hope you can hear me fine because there is wind. We are at an Air Force. I did not want to do this in my garage because I wanted to do something different. So, for you guys to see, this is the Racequip PRO20 black or gloss black SA2020. All right, there's a QR code if you would like to see it. Bam bam, SA2020 auto racing helmet. Hell yeah. So now I'm already banging this thing up. This is the best investment I've made. It is 2022. This thing is gonna last me a decade plus. Can't complain with that. Anyways, pop that. I'm really excited. I wanted to do this at home, but I wanted to do this somewhere different. So I saved it for here. Oh, it comes with a bag. So there's nothing else in here, but yeah. All right. Why not unbox the helmet when you're around race cars, right? So, here we go. Oh man. Oh, it has pink on the side. Oh, I did. Okay. Mikey helped me purchase this. He got it for me online. I gave him the money, and he got it for me. So, I like that. I like that a lot. I got a size extra large because I am going to be growing my hair out. I got a sticker. Yes. Oh, and it has like some rubber grommets. I'm thinking those are to change out something. I mean, you can see them in there right there. I'm guessing that's for something on here. I don't even know what those do. I don't know. So I want to do the unboxing here. This video will not end with me being here testing it. I do plan on seeing what it feels like with it in the car, because if you are new here, I do race a Subaru Legacy. Possibly something else is coming up here soon. That is you'll see it by the end of this month. Anyways, so put the sticker away. Oh man, this is so nice. Oh yeah, you can see the SA. So okay, this is really nice. If you've ever done tech, or if you've worked doing safety tech and doing safety in cars for autocross or anything, and having to check people's helmets, it can be annoying as hell. I like that they did this. Literally, it's just right there. I didn't do anything. Cushion looks amazing. I like that yellow strap. Cool beans. All right, let's try this on. Nappy hair. I'm letting my hair grow out for my son. All right. Huh. I like it so far. Huh. It's still tight for being an XL. I went from a large to an XL. Huh. Huh. I can see more in this one. I did have a motorcycle helmet before, so yeah, I like this. I need to figure out how to pop this open. How does this pop open? Does it just slip up? No? There's something there. I don't know. I should probably read instructions. Remove this clear protective film before use. Do not over-tighten hardware. Huh. Cool. Whoa, what is that? I don't know what I'm doing there. Oh, does that loosen it a little bit to open it? Oh, I just broke my nail. Whatever. Oh, I broke my other nail. I don't know if this is what does it. Maybe it is. That one loosened a little bit. Yeah. Does that open? So, live and learn, okay? I don't know what these are for. I will find out, but this is not the end of the video. Trust me. Like I said, we will have to test this stuff out and see what it feels like in the car, because I put a WRX seat in my car and I sit like 3 inches higher, so it's ridiculous. But sorry for the ashy fingers. Look at that. Goodness gracious. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera. Goodness. Anyways, putting this back on again. Oh, I'm laughing at myself by myself. So, I like it. We'll figure this out. My hands are greasy as hell or something. Well, they're actually dirty, but I already dirtied up my helmet. Whatever. I really like it. There's been a guy that's been in a truck next to me, probably laughing his ass off that I'm talking to my phone, but it's whatever. I am happy. Don't litter, kids. Throw your trash out. So, we're going to put this away. I'm going to tinker with it more. I'll have more info for you guys when we are back home. And I like this bag a lot. That is nice. Cool. I didn't think it was going to come with a bag because I didn't read up on it. Who fucking knows? But yeah, so we will catch you guys when we get back home and I have more information for you. Peace out. Alright, it has been another few days since you guys last saw that footage from when I was at the autocross event. I am now in my car. I just got done doing a gig and I figured, why not end the video with me wearing it and letting you know more of the perspective of how it feels doing everything. I did forget to take the cover. Well, I'll just show you guys. I didn't do anything to this since you guys last saw it. So, oh, I'm gonna mess up my box. Oh no, I want to keep it because I'm a hoarder. So, Nala's right here on my lap. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see her right now, but I have not done anything to this. So, oh, there's Nala. She's smelling the helmet, but comes with a case, or comes with a cover, just like you guys saw when I first did the full actual unboxing. Here is the plastic that has to come off of it. Oh, is it not going to come off? That stuff is really on there. There it goes. All right. Yeah. Don't let our kids throw your stuff out. I'm hoping this video helps those people that just don't have the information in front of them on if they need to bite the bullet on getting one of these helmets. And I'm telling you, it is worth it. This is the newest up-to-date version of the Racequip helmet, because I think it's every 5 years they do it, if I'm not mistaken. They redo the regulation, so this is an up-to-date regulation from the 2015. Anyways, so lightweight, inside is very, very comfortable. There's actually screws already on the sides for you to have the other safety measurements that come along with everything. Whenever it comes to more racing and you have to, you know, connect the side parts for straps or whatever it is. I'm not a real race car driver. I just got out of my novice season of autocross, so yeah. Anyways, let's put this on and let's drive a little bit with it. See how it actually looks. Just from the look of it yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before when I had it on, the view was 100 times better than the actual, what's it called? The motorcycle helmet that I had. So, we're going to drive around town for a little bit, look like a fucking idiot with this helmet on, and yeah, see how it feels. Again, like, I feel like I feel like only this much of the helmet was viewed before, and I had my peripheral, like, really off. So, this looks a lot better. The strap right here, if you don't know how to put one on, it is very simple to do. I mean, you literally just put it through both of the hoops, you open it up to where you only have one, which is the one with the strap, and you put it through it. It's not rocket science. It just seems like it's really ridiculous. I promise you it is not. Anyways, so I wanted to put this in the car because me autocrossing in this car, I have a different seat from the passenger side seat. So I sit higher, and I feel like I have more room with this helmet on. Let me sit up more. Here we go. Let's put the seatbelt on. Yeah, because I'm now, okay, yeah. I feel like I have just that little bit more of room compared to my other helmet. So, let's go for a drive, guys. And if you didn't know, I'm in my legacy. You can see other content on my channel about it. But, yeah. And they've also, from what I've seen, this helmet is actually made better for people that have to wear glasses. So, I am not, I can see pretty okay. But I need glasses for sunlight because I am a little punk. Sorry, I don't want to curse because I've probably cursed enough in a lot of these videos. But, yeah. So, let's get on with it. Whee! I can definitely see a lot. It looks good. You can't complain. Yeah. I see a lot more. 100% I see a lot more just from looking like this. And that's going to make the big difference of seeing cones around corners, because in autocross, you're supposed to look not at the corner you're in, but the one ahead to know where you're lining up, kind of thing. Again, I am only a novice. I am only my first year out of novice racing. So, I am not a professional by any freaking means. This is just me giving you guys the information of what I know. So, again, helmet seems comfortable. I love it. So far, it has been amazing. I have it fully tight, and it is, I mean, it is on there. I could probably tighten it some more. Let's see here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's where I'd have it, right there. That feels good. It's totally tight on my head, and I mean, by the time I'm growing out my hair, it'll probably be even more tight. I do have it up a little bit, and yeah. So, again, the helmet fits really great. I like it. There's pretty much nothing else to it. If you guys want to look up other stuff on this helmet, just go and look it up on other YouTube videos. This was literally just me putting a video out there for people that are trying to figure out if it's okay to buy a helmet like this for them, if it's worth it, all that kind of stuff. And honestly, it is worth it. This is something that's going to last you a very, very long time. And again, I hope that you guys like the content. Whatever is to come for unboxing and stuff will be happening sooner or later. And soon will be the reveal for what I have planned for autocross. And this helmet was a part of it. So, leave a like, subscribe for more. And the person was just laughing at me. Oh, this is fucking great. Alright, so, as I'm going to be getting on the highway. Ah! Oh, that's freaking hilarious. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to get back home and do all my other stuff. Oh, I forgot my glasses on. Damn, they came off actually very easily. Whoop, I'm in the other lane. Alright. Peace out, guys. Oh, Nala wants to say hi. There's Nala. She's been chilling on my leg this whole time. Alright, for real this time. See you guys in the next video. Ha ha ha!